around and you will see some things aren't safe for you or me.
Coco touches the switch, oh no, a shock. Baby runs fast, let's have a talk.
Don't touch switches on the wall, they're not for babies, not at all.
Zap goes the spark, ouch, so quick. Stay away or you might get sick. A door is open, just a crack. Puts his finger, snap, pull it back. Don't touch doors when they're not wide. Fingers can get hurt inside. Let's play safe and sing along. Safety makes us super strong. Oh, 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 oh. A shiny nail is on the floor. Upper thinks, should I explore? No, no, don't put it in your mouth. That's not safe, toss it out. Let's find toys that we can chew. Only safe things, me and you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
We run and jump and crawl and play, but listen close to what we say.
Look, don't touch, stop, then see. Is it safe for you and me?
Ask for help when you're not sure. That's how we stay safe and pure.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Let's be careful every day, while we laugh and while we play. Me and we learn the rule. Being safe is super cool.